Hey guys, Jern Rust here. Just got back from the flea market, so let me show you what I got. Alright, first of all, I got this rawhide hammer here. Soft blow hammer. It's Garland. Can't really make out the markings there. That was $3. I got this adjustable wrench here, S-curve wrench, kind of bent, I think. Only $1 for that, but there's no maker's mark. It's still cool. Got this throwing knife for $1. Made in China. Arrow something on there. I can't really read it. Got a Stanley tubular steel with a rubber handle. Hammer here. It is a, let's see here. And I forgot to wear my glasses, so I'm having trouble seeing this. So I think it may be Steelmaster. Alright, and we got a Vaughan framer's hammer here with a milled face, really long handle. And I've bought and sold these before. It's a chopper, USA, log splitting axe. I bought it. The guy wanted 20. I ended up getting it for 15. I'll probably get $75 for it when I sell it on eBay. Somewhere around there. Clean it up just a little bit. Still in working order. I got these anvil style pruners for $1. And Village Blacksmith is the name on those. Got this cool hook here. This is a Klein Tools. It's a linesman hook. Boy, it's not focusing. Okay. So, yeah, Klein. And I'll have to uncover the rest there under the rust. But that was $1. And I got a Craftsman keyhole saw for $1. And I got this Hart nail pry bar for $1. And that's it. That's my haul. Thanks for watching. Bye.